My news is about eight men that have been get to prison because of doing a video uploaded in YouTube of a simulating of a marriage of gay.
A few weeks ago I talked about an Islamic group that is called Boko Haram that kidnapped 200 girls, and it was supposed to free most of the girls, but the days passed and the government has not any resort or any answer of this agreement that they reached, and any of those girls has been freed to this moment.
My news talk about a UK ship has arrived to Sierra Leone to help with the deadly Ebola outbreak. The Royal Fleet was carrying food, medical equipment and 32 pickup trucks to help the Ebola treatment centers.
Our country is Europe, and our continent is Europe, and my news is about France, which is treating a United Nations employee who contracted Ebola in Sierra Leone.
Well, only in 2006, Italy received 336,000 migrants, almost the half of the European Union. So this Saturday, the European Union is beginning to have a patrol to help the stem of flow of migrants to Italy.
My piece of news talks about the idea of reducing the gases of the greenhouse effect to zero at the year 2020.
Our continent is South America, and my news is about Brazil facing water restrictions as a dam in Sao Paulo ran dry, and the dam is only 3.3% of its capacity, and this problem could cause many people to die.
My news is about some countries in South America which has established itself as the most desirable market for Chinese car makers because of the high levels of sale.
My piece of news is the same as her, and it's about the Brazil that is having droughts and is suffering from having not water or this rain, and we just have to think about the Amazon that is mostly in this country, and without the Amazon, or it would disappear without this treatment, and our environmental situation could be more dramatically, and we just have to think of what can we do.
Our continent is Asia, and my news is about the China's manufacturing sector, which slowed down in October.
My news talks about India's police that have caught 3 men that for robbing a bank by digging a 40-meter tunnel into the camera of the bank.
My news title is Bangladesh electricity restored after a major blackout. Last Saturday, Bangladesh suffered important blackout which affect the entire country, and a great answer of its government made possible that the power could be restored the day after. It has been a great answer from the government, which can be a perfect example for the entire world.
Our region is Middle East, and my news title is Tunisia election results. The recently elected Donald Tunisia has led the country into an important political transition. The political party Nidam Tunes has won 85 seats in the parliament. In my opinion, I think we all need to support and fight for these political movements in the Middle East region.
My news is about a news that I made 2 weeks ago, that USA is going to retire the 70% of the troops in Afghanistan, making a treaty with the Afghanistan president, and this treaty is going to be signed at the end of this month.
My news
which is called Egypt's Jail's Game Wedding Video Man. And many people think that having a sense of humor is good, but don't do think that in, for example, Egypt, because that can cause many problems to you and you can be arrested and sent to prison many years.
Our continent is North America, and my news talk about Canada, which is going to suspend the visa application from residents and the passport holders from West African countries in the grip of the Ebola outbreak.
My news title is Las minorías deciden en el sur. US is going to make a referendum for renovating 1/3 of the chamber of Georgia and Louisiana, but for knowing these results, we need to wait till Thursday.
My news is about a Democrat which was elected in 1993 and served for more than 20 years to the city of Boston. This mayor is Thomas Menino and is considered the longest serving mayor in Boston history and has died at the age of 71 after a long fight against cancer.
My news is about a girl of 29 years that is going to kill herself because she has brain cancer and she wants to avoid her and her family suffering.
Hey, Victor. Okay, Victor. Okay. Adrián.
Oliveros, Jorge Oliveros.
Nuria. David. Esther. Miriam, there you are. Okay. Juanma. Emma. Danny. David. Adrian, where's your number? Where are you? 5. Oh, there's 25. Okay. Laura. Not here. I was trying to jump over him. Sorry, Jorge. Unbelievable.
I am wondering what you receive in exchange.
Full name and everything, okay. Guille. Okay. Bea. Esther, I just saw your name, you are 9. Coral. Okay. Sandra. Nobody. Angela.
Miriam.
Okay. Jorge. Okay. Ana. Okay. Miriam. Germán. Esteban. Okay, so 6 people got 1 vote. Jorge got 6 votes and Miriam got 6 votes. So both of you get an extra 0.25. Good job.